Good morning. My name is Maciek Czaplinski, and I welcome you to the Domator podcast, a place where we talk about homes, real estate, and smart living in your own space. Today, we're going to discuss the real estate market and why not every renovation increases the value of a home, and in some cases, can actually reduce it. Let's begin with a fact no one is disputing today. The residential real estate market in Ontario has clearly slowed down. There are many reasons for this, but one of the key factors is economic and political uncertainty, particularly influenced by the current U.S. administration. What is the result? Both buyers and sellers are holding back on making decisions. They are simply waiting to see how the situation unfolds. From my more than 35 years of experience as a real estate agent, I can say one thing with confidence. We've seen market slowdowns like this before. And during times like these, homeowners begin to think differently. If a home isn't selling, a natural question arises. Maybe something should be improved. Maybe a renovation would help. And this is where we get to the heart of the issue. We naturally assume that a renovation automatically means an increase in value. Sometimes that's true. Kitchen and bathroom renovations usually work in your favor. But not every investment is a smart investment, and not every renovation adds value to a property. I often see renovated homes that, instead of attracting buyers, actually push them away. And not because the homes are old, but because money was spent without a plan and without an understanding of the market. Today, I want to share several examples of poor renovation decisions, because every renovation should be treated as an investment. The examples I'm giving are not listed in any particular order of importance. First example, combining bedrooms. A large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a private bathroom sounds fantastic. But if it's created at the expense of a second bedroom, especially in a home that originally had only 3 bedrooms, you lose a massive group of potential buyers. Large families need bedrooms for children. Increasingly, they also need space for parents or grandparents. Second mistake, unprofessional, do-it-yourself renovations. Small projects? Fine. But improper removal of load-bearing walls, amateur electrical or plumbing modifications, or even adding an extra level without permits? These are serious problems. Buyers notice every mistake and every shortcut. And that usually translates into a lower sale price, or no interest at all. Another issue, wall-to-wall carpeting. It may feel nice under your feet, but buyers don't like it. Today, most buyers expect hardwood floors or quality alternatives. Carpet is associated with dust, allergens, and replacement costs. Fourth example, swimming pools. In our climate, pools offer a very poor return on investment. One buyer may love it, 5 others will say, no, thank you. Maintenance costs, liability, and responsibility are major deterrents. The same applies to converting a garage into living space. For a few buyers, it's a plus. For most, it's a significant drawback. Today, a garage is storage, a workshop, and a place for everything we don't want inside the house. Another issue, unusual tiles and extravagant patterns. Buyers don't see style. They see a future renovation and additional costs. The same goes for removing closets. You can never have too much storage space. Lack of closets is one of the most common reasons for a negative impression of a home. Built-in aquariums are another feature that can scare buyers away. They look impressive, but buyers see moisture, odors, maintenance costs, and the responsibility of caring for living creatures. Sunrooms? If they're fully insulated and usable year-round, that's fine. Seasonal ones often reduce property value. Smart homes are a very trendy topic right now. Remote thermostats, automated lighting, and similar features sound appealing. Simple, energy-efficient solutions are worth investing in and offer real convenience. However, complex systems become outdated quickly, and lose value just as fast. Solar panels installed under long-term contracts. They often create more problems than benefits when it comes time to sell. The same applies to furnaces or air conditioning units tied to rental contracts. These contracts are often signed for 15 years at around $100 per month. Buyers can do the math. That's roughly $18,000 to buy out the unit. And finally, foundations and basements. A damp or low basement in Ontario is a major disadvantage. There's no hiding it. And yet, I still see people building new homes on poor foundations like these. Time for a summary. Not every renovation increases a home's value. If it's well planned, yes. If it's poorly thought out, it can cost tens of thousands of dollars and deliver no financial return. If you plan to live in the renovated home long term, you have more flexibility and mistakes are less costly. But if you're thinking about selling in the near future, think like a buyer, not like an owner. Thank you for listening to my podcast, and I look forward to speaking with you in the next episode. If you're thinking about your home or property and would like to talk, and benefit from my 35 years of experience as a real estate agent and 40 years as a home designer, call me at 905-278-0007.